Welcome back. Villagers of Shioli are in fear of losing the forest cover in their village. They want the government to identify and notify a large tract of green canopy as forest cover as it is marked as settlement zone in Regional Plan 2021. They have threatened to knock the doors of justice if the government does not pay heed to their demands.
Villagers of Wadi, Marna, Sardiyan and Asgaon are apprehensive that this forest cover in their villages may disappear forever. They say commercial projects coming up in these areas will destroy this green belt as these areas are marked as settlement in the Regional Plan 2021. They want this green canopy to be identified and notified as protected forest.
This is a dense canopy area which is private forest or orchard land, which is not notified in the regional plan, not shown as a green belt, and has been shown as a settlement zone. So all this forest will be destroyed in order for development sake. Yeah, we demand that this green belt be preserved, be identified, notified and be reserved.
The villagers say that cashew plantation on these hills will get destroyed if this is not protected.
At present आम्ही पे उभे आसा तो मायक्रो इंडस्ट्रियल झोन म्हणून दाखयल्ले
तुमकां आतां भय कसलो कितें जावपाचें आसा म्हण
जंगल आसा ते आतां वचपाची तयारी केल्या गव्हर्नमेंटान आतां व्हरोंक सोदता आमचे हांगासर आतां पळय हे म्हाका दिसता हांगर कन्स्ट्रक्शन जातले अशें आमकां दिसता फुडें हे रिजनल प्लॅनाक लागून न्हय तेका लागून आमी आतां जागे जाल्या आनी तुमच्या फुड्यान उलयता की सरकाराचे दोळे उगडचे तेंचे कानूय उगडचे अशें आमकां दिसता हे आमचे ग्रीन बेल्ट आसा आमचे एरिया जंगल आसा ते तशेंच उरोनी आमचे आमकां कांयच नाका हांगासर.
A reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Government employees in civil and sub-registrar at Vasco were found unpunctual to work. People in Vasco are disgusted with the functioning of the civil and sub-registrar staff in Vasco.
Look at this office premises. The office is vacant as no officials are present in the office even after their normal timings. The government staff is expected to be in the office by 10 in the morning. People are standing in long queues, but none of the officials are present in the office even after 10:30 a.m. Altogether, there are about 9 staff members, but on Friday, there were only 4 staff members in the office. 70% of staff members were absent. People say that this has become a regular exercise at civil and sub-registrar's office.
हांगा चल्ला पळय ते कांयच ना खंयच्या बारीक मनशाक हेल्प करपाचें कोणाचें इंटेंशन ना कोण टायमार येना टायमार वचना जाय तशें चालू आहा.
Law Secretary Pramod Kamath and State Registrar P.S. Bodke gave a surprise visit to the Registrar's office in Vasco on Friday. To their astonishment, Civil Registrar of Vasco, Asha Kamath, was also not present.
No, staff are not present. 70%.
Out of 9, 5 are absent.
Out of 9, 5 are absent.
But Asha Kamath reasoned it out, giving regular pattern of excuses. Some even said that the staff is corrupt.
Not that. We had given 500 rupees. Out of which 150 rupees is the charge of document register. The rest of the money she has kept.
The officials have assured to take immediate action on the irregularity in the registrar's office. Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Matkekar.
Carmona Farmers Club will be inaugurated on the 11th of December at Carmona Church premises. Their aim is to encourage small farmers and promote group farming. They will have an exhibition of modern farm machineries used for farming purposes.
The Carmona Farmers Club is registered with NABARD. It provides the farmers with Kisan Credit Card, which is beneficial to avail loans from the bank to cultivate fields by group farming. Carmona Farmers Club has decided to streamline farming activities in the village and maximize profit by introducing the group farming method.
ग्रुप फार्मिंगा वरवीं हे आमी शेताची उत्पन्न करूंक शकता हे आमचे मेन आमचे हे आहा आनी ते वरी ते जेन्ना सगळे तर एक जाले एकठांय येयले आनी जर फार्मिंग केल्यार आमकां चड प्रॉफिट येतलो आनी आमी भाजी न्हू आनी तशी आमची शेतां क्रॉप्स जे रायस क्रॉप्स दुसरे क्रॉप आमच्यांनी हे चालू करून आतां.
Also, training will be provided at the function to operate agricultural machinery like harvester and tractors. Our reporter in Carmona, Savio Dias.
18th Joint Council Convention of Indian Postal Employee Association was held in Murgaon recently. General Secretary of All India Postal Employees Association, Shivkant Mishra, said that exploitation of postmen should be stopped.
Maye MLA Anand Sheth with General Secretary of All India Postal Employees Association, Shivkant Mishra, and others were present at the 18th Joint Council Convention of Indian Postal Employees Association. Shivkant Mishra said that exploitation of postmen should be stopped.
आज आपका भी समय आ गया है कि जब भी आवाज उठाएं, आप विधानसभा में आवाज उठाएं, तो साथ में ये भी आवाज उठाएं कि वो जो दूर दराज बैठा हुआ है डाकिया, जिसका शोषण इंस्पेक्टर कर रहा है, जिसका शोषण एसपी कर रहा है, जिसका शोषण पीएमजी कर रहा है, पीपीएस कर रहा है, अरे उसको भी तो बताएं कि अगर उसकी हालत बेहतर होगी तो ये सारे पेमेंट आपके आसानी से होंगे. या जर फॅशन एंटरटेनमेंटला कठोर लागत राहायचं असेल तर आम्हाला संघटित होऊन ह्या सरकार दरबारी त्यांचे दरवाजे ठोठावे लागणार आहेत आणि ते हे करण्यासाठी आपण सर्वजण कटिबद्ध आहात.
A reporter in Maye, Uday Parab.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.